Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited to share with you our new collection, 10 brand new ultra chrome gel polishes. Keep on watching to learn everything you need to know about this new collection. This collection includes 10 super special ultra chrome gel polishes. Here are Love Struck, Starry Summer Night, Ariba Aruba, Pink State of Mind, Flashy Boa, Pizzazz, Ready for Vacay, Insane Indigo, Sun-Kissed Babe, and Concrete Dreams. As always, start by prepping your nails. Push back cuticles and lightly buff the natural shine. Wipe the nails with alcohol to remove oils and filing dust. Next, apply a super thin layer of gel polish base coat to all the nails. Do not skip this step. You need it so gel polish will properly adhere to your nail. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi LED nail lamp. Ultra chrome gels look the best on a black base color. Apply one coat of black gel polish for a more intense look. Cure for 60 seconds. Roll the bottle to make sure all the pigments are evenly distributed. For this tutorial, we picked 3 shades: Pink State of Mind, Flashy Boa, and Concrete Dreams. Apply first an even coat to all the nails. Remember to keep your hand on a steady surface for easier application. Cure for 30 seconds. We recommend you to use 2 coats over black base for intense coverage. The amazing self-leveling formula makes it so easy to paint your nails. It's super satisfying to see a chrome color shift at the right angle. Cure again for 30 seconds in Rossi lamp. One last step and you're done. Apply gel polish top coat to protect and add shine. Cure for 60 seconds. Finish with applying cuticle oil. Be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cuticles moisturized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about this new release. We love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!